Now, Jamaica Fashion Week is making its debut this November in Ocho Rios, and the search for the next runway star is officially on. Now, joining us now is co-founder of Jamaica Fashion Week, Miss Latoya McLeary, to tell us all about it. Where is the fashion guru?
Look at this pound.
Strut that stuff. Yeah, yeah. I'm loving the fit. I'm loving the fit.
Hello, Paris. Hello.
We'll talk about wearing the vibe, representing the vibe.
Representing Jamaica always.
Yeah, and this pants.
Yes.
But Jamaica's very first fashion week happens.
Well, not the first, Fashion Week.
Right.
We have Caribbean Fashion Week. And we have
first time it's coming
to
Jamaica.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Yeah. And it happens in Ocho Rios. What kind of persons expect?
Okay, so hi guys, thank you so much for having me. So Jamaica Fashion Week is happening at Island Village in Ocho Rios, Jamaica this year, November 19th to 22nd. Our theme this year is called When Worlds Collide. Very fitting, right? Because we're bringing the world to Jamaica and Jamaica to the world. We have partnership from Iceland, Gambia, Ghana. The list goes on, right? Because we want to show the world that Jamaica has the capability to have a world-class fashion week, and that's what we're bringing to Ocho Rios at Island Village this November.
I love that.
Yes.
Now, a lot of people hear fashion and think it's just about dressing up.
Yes.
The pretty clothes, the pretty girls, but there's a lot of things that happen behind the scenes, production-wise. Talk to us about that, Latoya.
Wow, where do I even start? So we're having a casting this Saturday, and I'm calling all the models that are runway ready, and maybe we'll discover the new Naomi Campbell, right? So we're having a casting this week. You can go on our Instagram to get more information. It's Jamaica Fashion Week Official. All the information about the casting tomorrow is there. So I don't even want to talk about the production side of things because people get scared, right?
Yeah.
But the bottom line is not only is this fashion for us, but we're promoting fashion tourism.
Explain that for us.
So fashion tourism is where people come for the fashion, but they stay for the culture.
Right.
And Jamaica sell itself, right?
Yeah.
We don't have to advertise Jamaica. Once we say Jamaica Fashion Week, they're like, where do we sign up? So fashion tourism, it's a big part of what we want to promote during Jamaica Fashion Week because it will help the economy so much. The hotels, the tour operators, and not only that, we want to show Jamaica to the international fashion people that, listen, we're not just about fashion, we're about lifestyle culture.
You mentioned the hotels and the culture, but what can an event like this also do for designers, local designers, and models and other creatives in the industry?
I must say that the designers here in Jamaica, they're super talented. We had a hard time narrowing down the designers. We have designers in Jamaica. We have designers coming from Ghana. We have I don't want to give away too much, but we have a section called Made in Africa where we're showcasing African designers because, you know, Jamaica and Africa, we're so on point, right? We're so similar in style. And one of the reasons for that is we want to bridge the gap between, as the world, the theme is called When Worlds Collide. So we want to bring the world to Jamaica, Jamaica to the world. So I don't want to give away too much with the designers, but know Jamaica that we have some very, very talented designers here. We're going over the 4 days, we're going to have a phenomenal show in Island Village in Ocho Rios where we're not only having fashion, but we're having an exhibition. But you have to come and see.
Now, for the models, do they need to have any prior experience to be a part of it?
We don't require prior experience, but what we do requires a height, and only because most of the designers have these trails and these long pieces that we need tall models, right? So we're looking at the cut.
We know what you mean height, because my sister started to perk up already.
Oh, you're going to walk the runway? Tona going to walk the runway?
Yeah.
No,
all right.
I'm not too how to jump in.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
So you're not going to open the show? I thought you said you was going to open the show.
Yeah, of course.
All right.
That's the key.
Yeah, man, open it.
That's what I'm saying. But when you talk about tall, what because you have
limits,
male tall, female tall.
Okay, so for females, we require 5'8" and over. 5'8" and over. Don't kill me, guys. It's just the designer's requirement because it's like I said, it's a lot of trails and a lot of long pieces.
Show the entire design.
And you want to show the entire design, right? You want to do the pieces justice. So for females, we ask for 5'8" and over, and then for males, borderline it at 5'10", right? And over. So
Qualifying.
so that's what we're looking for. We want, models that are vivacious and ready to own the runway. And, we may discover the new Naomi Campbell. So we're very open to that. So everybody, guys, come out tomorrow at Altamont Court. So please, we want to see you all there.
Why Ocho Rios, though?
Why Ocho Rios? I mean, we were very strategic with this, right? Bob Marley. Remember, it's when worlds collide. How can we sell Jamaica? I mean, Jamaica itself is a brand, right? But we wanted to use Ocho Rios because it's the home of Bob Marley. It's the Garden Parish. And quite frankly, I feel like Ocho Rios is the only town within Jamaica that have all the resorts like within a certain area. So after the Fashion Week, we want to do the fashion tourism where we show our international audience or hospitality. So I think Ocho Rios is the fitting place.
Cultural hub.
The cultural hub of Jamaica, right? So we really want, and Island Village is the perfect location because it has everything within one space. And we're going to create a phenomenal runway in Island Village, guys. Like I said, I cannot give away a lot, but you have to come. Jamaica Fashion Week, November 19th to 22nd, Island Village in Ocho Rios. You guys gotta come and see it. And one other thing I must add, as I mentioned about the fashion tourism, we started this in Iceland, actually. We're having a theme in Iceland this September called Made in Jamaica. So we're having these beautiful Icelandic models wearing Jamaica pieces because Scandinavian market is an untapped market. How can we bring Jamaica to that market?
Love it. Love the creativity.
When I say Iceland, I'm going to start feel cool.
Yes, it's not so cold enough.
But just
September, it's good. It's good in September.
No, I'm just saying
don't
no.
come after that.
With the Jamaican temperatures now.
Don't come after that. Don't come after that. But Iceland is a place that we started this and we say, why not bring it back to Jamaica? I'm Jamaican, why not bring it home?
Definitely.
Yes,
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
So that was co-founder of Jamaica Fashion Week, Latoya McLeary. And after this break, it's all about some more fun, some more excitement. You have to fall back and see what's going on. So come.